Welcome to Inspiria TV. I'm Sweta Viswas and you are watching Inspiria this month, where we explore the most exciting events and updates from this month. Let's begin with the news headlines. BMS department organizes radio workshop conducted by RJ Samir on 22nd January. Inspiria Knowledge Campus organizes annual sports day.
The Republic Day event at Inspire Knowledge Campus was held with full spirit and excitement. The drama club staged a captivating play titled Adhikar based on the theme of Republic Day.
Now, news in detail. The BMS department successfully organized a one-day radio workshop conducted by RJ Samir on 22nd January. During the session, students learned about the radio medium through interactive discussions and practical demonstrations. The workshop covered key areas such as radio news, creative scripting, and advertising. As part of the activity, students created public service announcements, PSAs, and advertising scripts. One of the highlights was a creative ball pen advertisement designed by the students. Several PSAs are also produced to spread awareness about health-related issues. Students actively interacted with RJ Samir, gaining valuable insights into radio presentation, voice modulation, and content creation. The workshop provided hands-on learning and helped students understand how radio works in real-world media practice. Inspire Knowledge Campus organized its annual sports day on 24 January. The event was conducted by the college authorities and witnessed enthusiastic participations from students in the various indoor and outdoor sports activities. The program aimed to promote fitness, teamwork, and sportsmanship among students. Here is the detailed report prepared by Alankrit Khawash from the BMS department.
So right now over here I have Ayushman Ray from Bachelor's in Sports Management who has came first at 65 meters men's race. Welcome Ayush.
Hi.
So my question is that when you have crossed the finish line, what exactly was going in your mind?
Actually, at first, I didn't think that I won actually because I'm not a professional runner. So I thought that I might be second or third. But after the review, I heard that I won. So I was literally shocked because I was never a professional runner. I've never done this before. So I never knew that I could run this fast. So it's actually very shocking and amazing for me. So that's how I feel.
And the next question is that how long you have practiced to perform in this event?
As I mentioned before, I've never been a professional runner before, so I never practiced for this actually. And for the hit, which is for the selection for the race, I run in that only because I've never practiced this because this is not my sport. So that's why I'm really shocked.
We really appreciate your thoughts. Thank you Ayushman for giving your time.
You're most welcome.
So right now over here we have Mr. Susavant Gupta, HOD of BBASM and who has also organized this event. Welcome, sir.
Hello, Alankrit. Tell me.
So as you have seen that this event has been organized since morning and we have also seen a lot of great moments. So I just want to ask that what is the value of sports in our life?
Okay, to be honest, Alankrit, when we talk about sports, we need to talk about the studies as well because your exams are coming. Remember that. Okay, so first thing first, when we gain the knowledge about things which we study in the classroom, it is helping us to develop our brain. But when it comes to sport, it's not about the development of the physique, but your soul as well. We might work a lot and we get the stress. And the sports, when we talk about, it is the reliever, the icebreaker of our life. Sports is helps you in developing your career. It helps you in finding the mental peace and also to develop your body. So that's the importance of sports.
Okay, so my last question is that was there any moment today which you feel that this was best to watch?
Okay, from the morning I can see everyone, including the Department of Sports Management, media, every department is coming over here, enjoying the moment, supporting their crew, also working so hard like your team, and same with the crew. They're managing the sports. Everything is beyond the limitation, beyond their expectation. They're doing so good. This is the best moment I've seen.
We really appreciate your thoughts. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Mita.
So right now over here we have two of the members who has won the basketball final competitions in the annual sports day. Welcome guys.
Thank you.
You. Okay, so my first question is that how does it feels to win in the final of the basketball competition?
First of all, we have been winning since 2 years, so obviously it feels good. And thank you to the college for providing the platform.
Thank you to the team. I want to thank all of my members, all of my team members. They all gave their best. That's why we're here as winners. Thank you.
Okay, we really appreciate your thoughts. Thank you. So right now over here, I have Ethan Ayush Tamang from the runner-up team of the basketball final competition. Welcome, Ethan.
Thank you so much for having me.
So my first question is that it was really a great match, and we have observed that it was really intense. So my question is that how are you feeling right now?
Obviously, we lost, so I'm feeling very sad right now. But I'm happy that my brother won. And lastly, I would like to say that we are from the same team, right? So we represent the same college, so no hard feelings. That's it.
Okay. And the another question is that what was the hardest part while playing against the another team with you?
I believe the hard part was that we just had like three players, right? We had three players who knew how to play basketball, and the other two they were there for us, and I'm thankful for them for coming for being there for us. But they didn't know the basics rule, and which is very fine. Okay, which is it's fine, but these guys, BCA had a strong team. Everybody knew how to play, so
We really appreciate your thoughts, and I really wish you best for the upcoming future game.
thank you so much.
Republic Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotic spirit at Inspira Knowledge Campus. The campus was filled with energy as student and faculty members came together to honor the values of Indian constitutions and the unity of the nation. The program began with a sense of pride and respect, creating a vibrant atmosphere across the campus. On the occasion of Republic Day, the Drama Club presented a powerful and meaningful play titled Adhikar, highlighting the importance of constitutional right, equality, and social justice. The performance beautifully showcased how fundamental right protects citizens and strengthens democracy. Through impactful dialogue, expressions, and stage presence, the student conveyed a strong message about freedom, responsibility, and unity. Students appreciated the creativity and dedications of the performers, making the drama one of the highlights of the Republic Day celebration. Following the drama, a badge ceremony was held where students were officially entrusted with different roles and responsibilities of the academic year. Badges were awarded student representatives, coordinators, and office bearers, symbolizing leadership, accountability, and commitment. This ceremony marked the formal beginning of their duties in guiding the club academic, literary, and cultural activities. The event ended on an inspiring note, encouraging students to take ownership and actively contribute to the institution creative and academic environment.
That's all for this edition of Inspiria this month. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Thank you for watching.